I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com with another 80-second tutorial. And let's say you're trying to use your headphones and you just can't get the playback from your Audacity to play through your headphones. I know how frustrating this can be, so let's hop into Audacity. And right now, if I pressed play, you would probably hear it through some speakers, but I don't want that. I want headphones. So let's go up to Edit, Preferences, click this audio setting here, and you're going to see playback device. Now, it might be labeled headphones or it might be labeled speakers depending on where you plugged your headphones into. For me, it's plugged into the speakers input or output. Let's click OK. And with that, you got playback going through the correct output. Now you can edit to your like, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Go ahead and give a click, clickety-roo, a clickaroo.